In this video, I'm going to show you how to build an app with Base44. Now, this is actually very simple because Base44 has integrated AI, and this makes building apps very easy. You don't even have to code anything. Now, the first thing you want to do is you want to go to app.base44.com, and then on here, you have a few options. You can either go ahead and scroll down a bit where you can see your recent apps, and then you can see different templates over here from the community, and then you can basically search for apps. You can filter by different categories, etc., and even languages, as you can see over here, and you can see if there's something you'd like to create. So for example, as you can see, there's like different UIs, task management flows, there's a bunch of different things you can go ahead and basically just clone and view details and basically make an app of your own by just basically a click of a button. Okay, so if you actually find something over here that would be interesting, you can use that, but if not, you can just go ahead up to the very top where you can describe the app you want to create. So what you can do is just basically type in something very simple, or you can also start with the styling instructions. So here you can go ahead and click on styling instructions, and you can go ahead and add in different styling instructions if you would like this, for example, this neo-brutalism style. If you'd like this different styles over here, you can go ahead and add these styles instructions over here. It's gonna get pasted in there, and then you are ready to basically start. Or if you just want to build a basic app, you can just go ahead and say, for example, build a simple, and now let's say stopwatch app. Okay, so it's going to be that easy, just a stopwatch app, and then you want to click on this button and it's going to start generating and building your app. Now, of course, this is going to take a few minutes as it says over here, but let me actually switch over here to where I built a simple calculator app. So I just typed in create a simple calculator app, and then it thought for a bit and actually started creating it. It started coding, and now as you can see right now, it's actually built a calculator app which you can go ahead and now use. I can just basically go ahead and do some mathing here, and it works perfectly, and it's actually quite nice. It's a bit colorful, stuff like that, and I actually would be able to change anything by just going in here and typing whatever changes I want, and this would actually change it. So here it's already building the stopwatch, as you can see, and of course in a few minutes that's going to be ready as well. Now that's pretty much how you build an app with Base44. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.